Alright, this is becoming a familiar sight. You guys, you know, we tell you guys all the time. Okay, look at that. Green stripe is ADS pipe. I mean, it just, Scott just did that with his thumb, just goofing around. We're laughing about this pipe and the shape that it's in. Not to mention, this system was not wrapped. So it's just full of dirt, completely full of dirt. Yeah, well, that's why I gotta pay for a 3-yard, I gotta have a 3-yard dumpster at our yard for all that garbage Home Depot pipe that fails. So we're putting in the 1 3/4 inch. It's gonna rip. Notice how there's a little bit of dust and some dirt. They're not washing stone anymore. It costs too much to wash stone. So we're using the high octane now because the dirt can go right through those big inlets. Those monster inlets. Dust and dirt that just goes right through the Baughman High Octane. That's why we had Baughman open it up, not just to move more water. We want to move the sediment and just have it go downstream, down the curb. You should see how dirty the water, for the first few good rains, you should see how dirty the water is. All right, and then that's so we're running the Baughman High Octane, and we got the downspouts tied into a solid, these are both virgin pipes, by the way. The royal blue and the all yellow, and the yellow on the inside and the outside. That's virgin material. It's much stronger. It is far stronger. It's gonna last 200 to 500 years. And it doesn't attract rodents and animals like that black recycled pipe. All right, guys, until the next video.